Hello beautiful, I am back with another hair tutorial. I am doing boho box braids today. Look at how gorgeous these boho box braids are from Niseyo. I received 8 packs of their crochet boho box braids, and each pack comes with 16 braids. And here is my individual illusion braid pattern. Now don't come for me in the comments about how I say pattern. I am from Memphis, honey, and the T is silent there. But anyway, I have several tutorials on how I achieve this. Make sure you check the cards above. I will have them linked for you. These braids are super soft, very lightweight, and they're handmade with the perfect size loop. And guys, this hair was so easy to crochet. It only took me about an hour to complete. I always skip the first braid, especially if I know I'm going to be doing like a bob style or bob type hair. I know I'm not going to have this hair up in a ponytail or anything, so I always like to skip the first braid. Now you do want to take your time when pulling the hair through the loop because it has those loose wavy pieces. You don't want to have it tangled up into your knot, so just take your time and pull those out. The hair does not tangle easily. I used a total of 6 packs to complete this style. Now when it comes to crocheting the front, make sure you take your time, especially around the hairline. You do not want to pull the bulkiness of that braid all the way through. We want to protect our edges, so just be gentle when pulling the hair through. Now, have you seen the video that I did on the free tresses boho box braids, which I hated, by the way? Now, these are a better alternative to those because they have so much body and bounce, because we do not want stiff hair over here, baby. I always like to go back and fill in any gaps that I may have, and this just helps to hide that ankle braid. Oh my gosh, guys. All I can say is gorgeous. This hair is gorgeous. I am loving everything about this hair. The texture, the softness, the movement, the body. And it is so lightweight. These are a must-have, so make sure you check the description box down below. I will have Niseyo's information linked in the description box for you. So guys, I am being real extra today. I wanted to spice up my hair just a little bit more, so I'm going to add in some bohemian accessories. I'm using some thread, some jewelry pieces, and some beads. And this is the complete look, guys. I am loving these braids. Let me know, do you like it with the hair accessories or do you like it without? I am really feeling the hair accessories. Make sure you comment down below and let me know. Also, like this video and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it's free, baby. Go ahead and join the fam. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace and love.